With the rise of credit card and digital payments, it may seem like checks are a thing of the past. But did you know that banks still process roughly 14.5 billion checks annually? And according to a recent survey, checks are still a top target for fraud. In this video, we'll show you 6 ways to avoid losing money to check fraud. 1. Order checks from a reputable source. Banks and other reputable check printing businesses typically include security features on checks that help combat counterfeiting and alteration, such as watermarks and reactive paper and ink. But some checks printed by online retailers don't include these security features and may be rejected by your bank. 2. Fill out the check properly. Use the entire name of the company when writing or printing checks. For example, if the payee is the Internal Revenue Service, don't abbreviate IRS. Indicate the amount of the check with both numbers and words, and spell out the amount completely. For example, on a check for $2,255, write out $2,255 and OO, 100. This makes it harder for fraudsters to tamper with the amount. 3. Safeguard checks and account information. Keep reserve supplies of checks, statements, and other documentation in a secured and locked facility. Limit the number of employees allowed to have access to these documents and train responsible staff never to leave blank checks or bank statements unattended. 4. Segregate duties. Assign responsibilities for accounts payable to more than one person, with each responsible for different areas. For example, the person who issues checks should not also sign checks and reconcile the bank account. Authorized check signers should not have access to blank checks or the ability to enter transactions into the accounting system. 5. Reconcile accounts promptly. Quick fraud detection tends to limit loss exposure, so balance accounts monthly to identify discrepancies. The reconciliation should also include a review of void checks, canceled checks, and deposit slips. 6. Be vigilant for suspicious activity. Train your employees to watch for suspicious activity on checks, such as altered or forged signatures. If you suspect fraud, contact your bank and the authorities immediately. By following these 6 tips, you can help protect your business from check fraud and ensure that your money stays where it belongs, in your bank account. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe for more.